Hello and welcome to HaXeZ. Today we are looking at the extended basic 4 challenge on HaXeZ site. These extended basic challenges are program challenges. Essentially, you get given a bit of source code and you either have to work out what it's going to produce or find an issue with it and fix it. So with that said, let's dive in. So we're on the HaXeZ site's website, and we're just going to scroll down to extended basic missions, and we are looking at number 4, find fake 2. So if we click on that, we get a message that says oftentimes you will need to decipher a language which you cannot find on Google or is encrypted in some way. I've made up a language for you to decipher. This is slightly harder. What is the output of the program? This is a real language with real rules. This is practice for obfuscation and encryption functions. So we are given a bit of code here. Begin var int as in, int var as in, out var int. And we are told that the user inputs the values 6 and 7. So in order to work out what this program is going to produce, it's best to go through the program line by line. So the beginning line, begin f.ake. I don't think it means anything significant. I think it just is the start of the program. It denotes the start of it, saying this is where the program begins, on to the next line. Then we have var int as in. Now we know the user's typed in 6 and 7, and we have 2 lines where we have this value in. To me, that suggests that's user input. So it's saying input possibly as an integer into the variable var. So it's saying put 6, because that's what the user typed in, into var, or it could be into variable int. But either way is 6. Then we have in as var int, or int var as in again, so it's going to be 7 because that's what the user has typed in, and this could be again as variable called integer, or it could be again integer called variable as 7. It could be either of those, and then at the end all it's saying is output var and int. Okay, so that clears it up a bit more, but not really. So we know either of these, whether it's var or int, on each line represents a variable, and then you're outputting, okay, right, so then you're outputting var int. So I'm going to assume that these first ones are the variable names. So we're saying variable integer as in, and then integer as a variable in. Doesn't really make much sense, but the answer should be 67. If we check that, you should get a nice little message pop up on the screen saying you solved the challenge. Now again, I'm not a great programmer, don't boast to be. Those who are great programmers, I salute you. I wish I spent more time doing programming, to be honest, because it is my biggest hurdle at the moment. But that's it, fairly simple challenge. I do believe they start getting a bit more tricky from now on. I think we have to solve something to do with eval on the next one. The way it's passing information to eval, we have to fix that in a script or something, so I'm really looking forward to that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you get past this challenge if you were stuck. If it did, give me a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe, leave me a comment, and that's it. That's all I got for you. Kind regards.